Hey guys, it's your girl Kayla. I'm back. So I just finished washing and deep conditioning my hair. It is like soaking wet right now. So I'm going to start with the leave-in from Rucker roots. I'm excited to see how this will work on my hair, being that their whole line is vegan. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it all over my hair. I did it soaking wet just to prevent some frizz because I will be using the blow dryer, but I still want that defined look. So I'm just spraying it all over and spraying it in my hair. As you can see, my hair is very, very fine, but I don't really want to go for that fine, I guess, condensed look this time. Kind of want a big, voluminous look, but I'm going to do it in sections just to keep some of that definition. So I'm just going to go spray it, comb it, and then spray it, comb it, and then just move from section to section. So next I'm going to use the curl cream. I'm interested to use this too. So it has all these different oils in it, and my hair loves oil. So basically my hair literally ate this up like it was food. Like, as you can see, my hair is literally like absorbing all of it. There's a lot of shine and slip in this product, so that was really cool. But my curls are also getting very, very defined. So lastly, the last layer that I'm going to put on my wash and go, because they tend to get pretty dry, is the mousse. I'm hoping this can just hold everything together and give me another layer of hold before before I blow dry it. So I'm just putting some more mousse on top of there and just going through, and I'm just going to go section by section and separate it and detangle it and just finger coil just to get some more definition. I'm working in really, really, really small sections, so I'm just going to keep going, repeat the process. So really, I'm just doing leave-in, curl cream, mousse, leave-in, curl cream, mousse all over my head. I guess the small sections will give me that defined look that I'm going for. So I'm going to keep going. My hair is still soaking wet. My hair takes forever to dry, so I really didn't even have to use a spray bottle until I got to the front of my head. I did use a tail comb just to keep some of that definition. So I'm still going through. I kind of use the raking method. It's like a combination of the raking method and then the coiling method, but I don't twirl my hair around my hand per se because my hair tends to shrink when I do that. So I use a comb to just detangle, and then I just use the raking method and keep going through. My hair is really, really shiny, as you can see, and very defined, but as you can see, there's not a really strong crunchy hold. However, my curls are defined, so I'm interested to see how this would turn out, because sometimes when I don't have like a hold, when my hair is wet, it becomes very like frizzy when it's dry. So I'm getting to the front of my head. I'm going for like a side part look. Hopefully that will add to the volume as well. So I'm just going through with the mousse as well, just going through, making sure my curls are defined. I keep playing with it. This is not good. I shouldn't really be manipulating it like this. But now I'm in the last section. As you can see, it kind of took me some time, being that you did small sections, but hopefully this will pay off. So I'm just going through and separating and raking and continuing to do this. I'm getting really tired at this point. My face is not so pleasant, but I'm separating the front. I'm just keeping that same method, just keep raking and keep playing with my hair. Not supposed to be doing that, but I keep playing with it. I keep raking it. I'm adding some more leave-in here just to add some more moisture. My hair is still really, really wet, if you can't tell. I guess because it's so fine. Like, when I wet it, I really don't have to re-wet it because it's super wet. So I'm detangling it, adding some more curl cream, and just raking it through. It's really shiny. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really absorbing. Like, my hair is really absorbing. You know how like you put products in your hair and you feel like the products are just sitting on top of it? I feel like it's really penetrating my hair, and I really like those products for that. You can definitely tell that these products are vegan and they're all natural. So I'm keeping the same method. I'm getting really tired. Look at my face. I'm trying to like drop my hands in between so like the products don't get all mixed together and they still work. So hopefully I use them right. Hopefully like my hair benefits from every single product. At this point, I was starting to get tired, and I was just like putting it step by step and not really like paying attention. But yeah, it's so funny how my hair looks like wet, because I did get a diva cut like a couple months ago, and it's still in the diva cut. It has grown out from it, and I have gotten my hair cut straight once, but it's funny how my hair like looks wet. It looks super uneven, but it's not. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna go through and touch up any curls that look out of place or not as defined as I want them to be. I'm adding a little bit more mousse here just to make sure my curls look defined and they look okay, because we are going to be using the blow dryer, and that's going to be a big determinant with our definition. So I don't even know if that was a word, but okay. I'm going through finding any curls that look weird, or just finding any curls on top just to define some more. At this point, I really don't even need to do this. I'm just really like picky when it comes to my hair. So I'm still going through, ooh, that face. I'm still going through, raking it. Still going through. As you can see, I don't know if you guys seen from my previous videos, but I did take my nails off. I felt like acrylics were just like messing with my hair. I don't know. I was just getting annoyed when my hair was like getting caught with it. But I'm still adding more mousse. I don't know why. But maybe this is why my hair takes forever to dry. I had to like go somewhere too, like after this, because my hair was still super wet. So I had to hurry up and blow dry my hair. But I'm still going through. So now I'm going to shake my curls just so they're not too come together, because my hair is very fine. So I think I gave myself a head rush there, but I'm shaking it just to loosen up the curls. This is kind of like the same method I've seen a lot of curly YouTubers do, just so like my curls aren't super clumped together and they have like their own type of like curl. I'm like putting it back down though, because if I don't like put it back down in a normal position, like my hair will literally dry like that, and it's not cute. So I'm just putting it back down how it was, but my curls are a little bit more separated. So now I'm gonna dry some of the excess product out of my hair, because my hair already takes forever as it is, and I don't want it to take even longer. So I'm going through and I'm just squeezing the excess product, squeezing it. My hair is still moisturized, of course. That's why I'm using a t-shirt and not a towel, because that would be horrible if I used a towel. It would just defeat this entire purpose. So I'm going through and just squeezing it and squeezing it and squeezing it. And I'm separating it. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Oh, yeah. I think I'm just playing with my hair, something that we're not supposed to do. So what I did was I ended up putting it in the back and sectioning it, and just one ponytail in the back and one in the front before I slept. So now I'm going to blow dry it. So as you can see, I'm baking my makeup while I'm doing this. And if you can't tell, this is part of the video that I did for the toner that I used for my makeup. So if you want to see how I got that natural look while I'm beating my face, the end result of this, make sure you go see my toner video. So what I do is I dry my hair in a downward position. Sometimes I use a comb like I am now, and I dry my hair in a downward position just so I'm not really messing up any of the normal shape of the curl, but just elongating it. As you can see, I'm just pulling it down. I'm not combing through the hair or like running my fingers through the hair. It's just like the outside. So we're keeping that same curl definition, that same downward motion. We're gonna keep going. At this point, I'm low-key rushing. So like my hair did get a little bit frizzy, but I wasn't displeased with it. But at this point, I'm trying to just dry my hair and get some type of elongation because I was rushing. So I'm just still drying my hair, downward motion. My hair, for some reason, my hair is super fine, but when I do blow dry it, it doesn't really become frizzy. Like, it becomes big, but it still keeps that, I guess, definition in a sense. So I guess my hair doesn't really suffer from that, because as you can see, my hair is still really, really, really defined, but it's like really big. So this was the end result of blow drying it, and yeah, that concludes this video. Bye guys.